નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 9 of chapter 7 Getting to Know Plants of Standard 6 Science. In the last part, we discussed about roots and one of the function. To understand one of the function of root, we did one activity, isn't it? And from that, we come to know that roots are essential for healthy growth of plant. Why? Because root absorbs the water and mineral from the soil. That's what we understood in the last part from the activity. In this part, we are discussing roots only. But let's try to understand another function of the root. And to understand that function, we'll go for activity 7. You should be on the page number 58 in your textbook. So page number 58, activity 7. We would require seeds of gram and maize, cotton, wool, katori, that is bowl, and some water. Take 2 katoris or bowls, place some wet cotton in them. Put 3 to 4 drops, 3 to 4 seeds of gram in one and maize in the other. Keep the cotton wet by sprinkling water every day until the sprouts have grown into young plants. After a week, try to separate the young plants from the cotton. Was it easy to separate the cotton from the roots? Why? Now we will discuss this activity. First of all, let's understand this activity. Then once again we will discuss it from the textbook. So let us understand this activity. What to do? What we will do actually? One minute. Now what to do? Take 2 bowls. Instead of taking 2 bowls, you may go for 1 also. Okay? And instead of bowl, I have this one. That is I am keeping. This is just to make you understand only. Okay? I have some cotton also with me. Now what you will do? You will wet this cotton. You will wet this cotton, and then after you keep it into this bowl like this. Okay? So now cotton is there in this, but it should be wet. Okay? It should be wet cotton. Then after, take some seeds of, see in this one you can see some seeds of maize, isn't it? You can see some maize seeds into this and some gram seeds. So take 5 to 8, 4 to 3, whatever it is, some seeds and put it into this. So let me keep these seeds aside. Okay? I have kept aside. Now what to do? See, actually bowl will be of more size, big size, isn't it? The bowl will be of big size. So if you will keep some seeds of gram 5 to 6 in a side, and in the other side you may keep some seeds of, this is maize seeds, sweet corn, maize seeds. Put some seeds into other side, okay, like this. In the other side, put some seeds over here. And what you will do? See, actually this cotton is now wet, and you kept both the gram seed and maize seed separately or into different bowl. Then after, sprinkle it after 2 to 3 hours, or repetitively sprinkle it. Or if it doesn't require, if humidity is there, then it doesn't require to sprinkle to after every 2 to 3 hours. You may sprinkle it on the next day also. But it will require, see, after some days you will find some sprouts will come out, and then after 7 to 8 days you will find some roots also will be there, and that is required. That is why it requires, see, if sprouts will require, then it will require only 1 to 2 days, but we want some roots to come out. That is why you have to keep it for at least for 7 days. And second thing, you must not pour too much water. You must not pour too much of water. Just pour or sprinkle it only, because the cotton was already wet. That is why. Okay. So after 7 days, what will happen? First of all, let's go this way. So this is aim. What is the aim of this activity? 7 is to show that root hold the plants firmly. Root holds the plant firmly to the soil. That is our aim. Now materials required, that we know actually, seeds of gram and maize, cotton wool, 2 small bowl and water. We understood the activity, means procedure, how to go for. Now observation. Force need to be applied to separate saplings from the cotton wool. I will make you understand. See, once after 7 to 8 days, roots will come out. Now where the roots will go? It will be in the cotton. So the roots will be in the cotton, and that is why if you will try to put out that one of the seed, then you will have to give some force. It will not be that much easy. It will not be that much easy. That means force needs to be applied to separate the saplings from the cotton wool. Now let me tell you what is saplings. Actually, see, after that sprout, some roots will come out. That is, we can say, very young plant. That young plant is known as saplings. So force need to be applied to separate the saplings from the cotton. Why? Because roots have come out. Okay. So conclusion. Roots hold the plant firmly to the soil. Generally, plants used to be in the soil, and that is why only the roots holds the plant firmly, very firmly. Okay, if it is big, then it is not possible to separate. We know that. We are not Hanuman and Bhim. Okay. So once again, come on the page number. Open the page number 58. Let's go further in the textbook. In activity 6, we could not pull the plant from the soil. Right? See, in the activity 6, what did we do? With the help of khurpi. With the help of khurpi, we took that plant. This much big it was. And that is why it is written over here that in activity 6, we could not pull out the plants from the soil, right? We dug them out. This is because roots help in holding the plant firmly to the soil. They anchor the plant to the soil. They anchor the plant to the soil. Matlab, the roots holds the plants very firmly with the soil. It anchors the plants, and that is why roots are there, and it is required. You have seen that there are different kinds of stem and leaves. Do the roots also show a variety? Let us find out. See, roots also have some varieties, and that we are going to discuss in the next activity. By this time, you do one thing, you go for this activity at your home, and it is very easy to go for. So you go for this activity and do this, and in the next part we understood two functions of root. One of them is the water, to absorb the water, isn't it? And second one is to anchor the plant, to hold the plant with the soil. Those two functions we learned during these two activities. And the next activity we will learn something more regarding roots. Till then, do this activity and watch this video 2 to 3 times. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.